Hi there, welcome back. In this lecture, we're gonna learn about how to remove the resources that are not useful. Let's say I have a few of the resource groups you see here, and out of this resource group, I have a storage account which was created and as part of a different lab. Let's say I don't want this storage account to be available. I just want to delete this specific storage account. So either I can do directly from here by going to the specific storage account and click on that to delete. Let's say I just go here and select that storage account and I have an option to delete. But think about it. Let's say we have created maybe 10 virtual machines or maybe 5 of the virtual machines, and also a VPN server or similar, different type of resources we have created, and we don't want that to be again should be available within your Azure portal, because if it is available, that means it's gonna charge for you, right? So you don't want to get it charged. So what you can do is you can clean up those unwanted resources. So to clean up unwanted resources, the best practice is when you are actually creating the required resources, try to put them into the proper resource group. Let's see, this lab you have created for web applications. So create a similar resource group by giving here maybe a web applications demo, so that you know that the required resources you're going to place into that specific resource group. Once you put everything in that resource group, just go to the resources, and after completing your lab, or you think that that project is no more needed, you simply go to that specific resource group and delete this resource group. So click on delete, and it's going to ask you what's the name of that resource group that you are trying to delete. So you can type it. So what I will do is normally I practice, like, instead of the type, I can simply copy this value and paste it as it is and click on delete. That's going to delete all the objects, all the resources that are part of this resource group. So in a minute, it's going to actually delete here. So you see here, it's a deleting action is taking. So you cannot cancel this. And if I try to do this by deleting option, if I try to cancel, I cannot cancel. So make sure that this is the one-way steps. So you cannot take it back, this action. So make sure that you are doing what you wanted to do it, right? So otherwise you're gonna impact it with use, because you can't recover those resources, and it's a difficult. And Microsoft also cannot retrieve those resources back for you. So let's say you want to protect those resources. Then in that case, before you, let's say you have created a resource group, and for example, this is the resource group that we created for Cloud Shell, and we have uploaded all the required files, or maybe our resources are critical for our project and we don't want to delete, or we don't want to do any modifications. Then go to that specific resource or resource group and apply logs. So logs are two types of the logs you have. One would be not to delete, one for only read only. So you can just change the read only, but other one is applicable for only deleting. So if you try to delete, it will prevent. So that's how you can secure. And so make sure that you can check out another lecture which is talking about the log specific demo also. But in general, if you want to clean up, just go ahead and delete that specific resource group, so that you're not going to charge anything that were deleted or that were not available. So because the cloud is, everything is based on the per minute basis, right? So you are going to charge till that specific time. Later point, it's not going to charge for you. I hope this entire lecture is useful. Thank you for watching this.